Hello there, friends. So this is a product review of Crayola Colors of the World crayons and markers. So over here on the right hand side of this page, you can see that I swatched these last night. And the first thing I did with this box of crayons that I accidentally bought the 32 set and the 24 set instead of the pencils. But anyway, I paid $1.79 I think for the 32 set and $1.37 for the 24 set. The 32 set is the same as the 24 set of crayons, except for it has an additional 8 colors, 4 eye colors, quotation marks, and 4 hair colors in quotation marks, because they don't really look like eyes or hair. But yeah, so I swatched them on the right hand side when I got them. Oh, after I put them in order. So the order that they come in the box is kind of an odd order. Like all the lights are together and then all the mediums are together and blah, 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 blah. But I preferred to have all the almond colored shades together and all of the golden shades together and all of the rose shades together. And then I ordered them from light to dark, and that's how I swatched them there on the right. And so they look kind of cool, you know, because it's all these beiges. It's very boho fabulous looking to me. And then the hair colors of the blonde, red, brown, and black are not very realistic, I don't think. And then the eye colors of blue, green, and hazel, and brown are not very realistic either. So as I tried to utilize them on this page, I really enjoyed coloring with them. They were fun to color with. Of course, there's not a big range, and I did just want to stick to the colors that came in this box of crayons. And so, I think it looks pretty good. I had a lot of fun coloring with them. You know, they're not really highly pigmented, which is more my style, but I thought that they went together real well, and I really appreciated the swatches on the right. Like when I saw that, I thought about doing some boho scene. I thought that would be better. So you can see right here, I am just making up in the day banner the same thing I did in the top, just using those colors up there to kind of draw it together. And so there it is. And so this is the final result with a little bit of editing to make it brighter. And here I'm going into the markers. So first thing I did again with the markers was that I went through and swatched them in their sort of color, the almond, rose, golden group, and I ordered them that way in the box. And that's what you see over on the left. And then over on the right, I'm just getting ready to use these markers. Okay, so I will say this about the markers. First of all, I don't normally use markers, so I didn't really care for them, and I don't really care for markers, but I thought the packaging was real cool. And oh yes, less than $6 for this box. I got all my supplies at Walmart, and I thought they were pretty cheap, right? But I'll definitely be giving those to the grandkids, and probably, well, at least one of the boxes is crayons. So since I'm not normally using markers, I probably struggled a little bit more than somebody who's more familiar with working with markers would. But one thing that I thought was interesting as I started working in these markers was that they smeared the pen. And I'm using a Tombow Fudasuki, one of those pens, and normally I can use watercolors on top of it and it doesn't bleed, but I noticed with these markers it was bleeding, and so it kind of muddied the colors. So that was a little bit, it was surprising, but also disappointing because I didn't know that was going to happen. And so the colors, they're pretty, and I'm just trying to add a little dimension here as I'm using these markers, and you can see that I don't normally work with markers, so I didn't find it very pleasurable. And normally I try to add dimension to things, but I just really did not enjoy using these markers, and part of that's probably because I don't enjoy or normally work with markers. But there's the roses. So the biggest group is the almond, and then I think the rose. So this set had 10 almond, 7 golden, and 7 rose shades. And so all in all, I like them. They're inexpensive and fun, but I'll probably give them to the grandkids except for the crayons I enjoyed. So anyway, if you found any value in this video, please like, subscribe, blah, 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 all those things you do on the internet that literally cost you nothing, but means a lot on the internet. Thank you. Bye.